It's a very fluid situation on the ground here just because of the circumstances. We get tasking from multiple places right now, and we task the aircraft to go out. We just flew FEMA personnel from College Station down to Galveston this morning, and right now we're moving food, water, and supplies from west of Houston, to the Beaumont area. JBSA, particularly the 433rd here, the support's been fantastic. People have been doing everything they can to help us out and to help the relief effort out. We're thrilled to be here. I'm happy to do anything we can to help out, and I know that holds true for everybody here in the squadron.
When we were doing the Pouncer operations, but it was still really cool. They were a lot of fun. We got to have some fun with them, especially jumping out of the back of the helicopter. I think it's always a lot of fun. Their ships are out there, they see us, we see them, just working together, and it's pretty cool. We saw some of the HM-111 guys, which is the Japanese Airborne Mine Countermeasure Unit. They were out there towing, same time we were, passed by each other. It's pretty cool.
Staff Sergeant Candace Harris, Masawa Air Base.
2 Japanese MH-53s loaded onto the belly of an Air Force C-5 Galaxy for immediate transportation back to the United States. The C-5 Galaxy from Travis Air Force Base, California is the largest, fastest cargo jet the military has, and it was perfect for the job.
It's not another airplane that can do this. We're going to take 2 of them out of here, and in a matter of a few hours of us taking off, they're going to be stateside where the guys can start work on them pretty quick, whereas the only other option would be to put them on a boat, and it might take a little while. So significant just because of almost the ease of it for us, and nobody else can do it.
The C-5 Galaxy fills a gap no other aircraft in the armed services can.
So the C-5M Galaxy, I mean, it is the largest military jet available. As you can tell, it opens from the front and the rear, so we can actually fit a lot more cargo than other aircrafts and the other airframes that the Air Force has, such as the C-17 and the C-130. Carries, max gross weight is 840,000 pounds. Max takeoff weight is 837,000 pounds. It is a massive airplane. And obviously, as you can tell, its capability to carry 2 53s is phenomenal.
The retired MH-53s will be transported back to the States where they will be retrofitted to fit the military's needs.